All right, truth time. Tell me if this has ever happened to you. You're out running some errands and you come back out to your car and you look down at one corner as you walk past it and, uh-oh, someone left me a present on the corner of my car in the form of a scuff on my paint. Now, rather than getting super frustrated about this, which honestly is my first inclination, let me show you how easy it is to take care of something like this. The process is simple, the supplies are very inexpensive, and virtually anyone can do it. Let's get started. There's only a few things you need to take care of minor scuffs like this. The first is a microfiber towel. I like to use a fairly thick one that is pretty absorbent and extremely soft. You're also going to need a polishing compound. I'm going to be using the Super Finish from Menzerna. I picked this up online and I'll leave links down below to all of these products. However, you don't have to use what I'm using. Any polishing compound will work just fine. Just make sure you don't get a cutting compound, as that can dull the finish of your paint. Make sure whatever you use is going to leave a high gloss finish when you're done. The final thing you're going to need is some Instant Detailer. I use this to clean off the polishing compound when I'm finished with the work. Instant Detailer like this does a great job of cleaning off all of that polishing compound, though soapy water would probably work just as well. This car currently has 2 scuffs on it, and we'll be taking care of both of them in this video. One of them's a little bit more wide, and one's more kind of like just a line. The important thing to note about both of these, though, is that they are just surface scuffs. They didn't actually scratch into the clear coat or the paint of the car. Now, just by looking at it, sometimes it's hard to tell if what you've got is a scuff, which just sits on the top surface, or a scratch, which is actually scratched into the clear coat or the paint. In this video, I'm only going to be addressing scuffs. If you want to see a video on how to take care of scratches, let me know about that down in the comments, and I'll consider one for the future. The easiest way to tell, though, if you've got a scuff or a scratch is to just run your fingernail across it. And if your fingernail catches on little ridges in there, well, then you've probably got a scratch. However, if your fingernail skates right across it, or if it even removes some of that material that's been scuffed onto your bumper, well, then you probably are in good shape, and the method I'm going to show you today will take care of it completely. And taking care of this is going to take me probably less than a minute or so. I'm going to take my polishing compound and my microfiber cloth, and we'll just squirt a little dab onto the microfiber, about the size of 2 peas or so. Now, some people like to also spray a little bit of Instant Detailer onto the car. Others like to sometimes just spray a little Instant Detailer right onto the rag. It can help to do that. You don't have to, but it can help to lubricate things just a little bit as you're going. Now I'm going to dab the polishing compound onto the area where that blemish was, just like that. And then I'm going to start to rub, beginning with gentle pressure, slowly increasing my pressure till I can feel it scraping that scuff away. And just like that, the scuff should be completely removed. Now I'm going to flip my microfiber over to the clean side, and I'm going to spray some Instant Detailer in that area, and we're just going to use that to rinse off any of the leftover polishing compound. And just like that, the scuff is completely gone. If after one application you can still see some fine scratches, and my eyes might be fooling me, but maybe there's some fine scratches there, you can just repeat this process 2 or 3 times if needed to get all of those scratches completely gone. Some of you may be skeptical that it really can be done that quickly and easily. So, to demonstrate just how fast a scuff like this can be removed, I'm going to do this in real time without cuts on the camera at all. I've got my microfiber cloth and my polishing compound here. I'm going to just squirt out about a healthy size, a little bigger than a pea worth of polishing compound onto my cloth. I'm going to dab it onto the area where the scuff is, like that. And then I'm just going to rub with firm pressure, and I'm going to go sort of back and forth, and I'm going to do it in some swirls. Sort of randomize the direction and the orientation that you rub. Now, you can hear in my voice, I am having to put a fair bit of pressure on, but the scuff is gone. I'm going to use a little bit of the Instant Detailer, flip the cloth over to the clean side, wipe it down, and we're finished. That scuff is completely removed. Well, as you can see, taking care of minor scuffs like these is an extremely simple process. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this with me. If you did, you can hit me with a thumbs up down below. Drop me a comment or suggestion if there's something I could do better. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, you could think about subscribing, but there's never any pressure from me, of course. And as always, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I discovered these bumps on my bumps. Wow, that's a loud plane. Errands or wherever, and you come out from like this on the finish of your. All right, truth time. Tell me if this has ever happened to you. You're out. Let's get started. That wasn't too bad. We're gonna try one more time.